thing is food for my stomach. Please get me food to eat.
Let me go and get you food.
Call me different names. I don't understand. You call me Osinaka Chukwu, while Nnam calls me Nwi.
Osinaka Chukwu, my son. I believe that names are given based on experiences. And I have named you Osinaka Chukwu because I know that God gave you to me when all my hopes of bearing children was almost lost.
I thought as much. But why doesn't Nam call me Nwi?
That I have tried to find out from your father. But he is never ready to give me this visit.
I know. Nwi, my son, how are you? What's the matter with you, my son?
Must you always call me that?
I don't understand.
Why do you insist on calling me Nwi?
Joel, ask him.
Nwi is a name I chose to call you as my son.
I know. But, Nam, of all the names in this world, why do you prefer Nwi?
You will understand very soon, my son.
Nam, I want you to explain it to me now. Because as much as I know, Iyi is a marine goddess.
Yes.
I will explain to you when the time is right.
Why not now?
I need to go and rest. I've had a hectic day, so let me just go and rest my son.
It's okay, my son. It's okay. Let him rest. Bring those sticks.
In anything at all, and I don't know why.
You don't know that your sister is lazy. She is. What she doesn't know is that hunger is the best friend of a lazy man.
But in is lazy, now tell me, how can she believe that hunger is the best friend of a lazy man?
When will not be with the man? Will she? She doesn't even know that she can even go back to the conversation with you. Let's leave the debate for now. Face what she tells you. Pick all this fire.
One day I'm going to show my own stubbornness.
Okay, I just go. Obiora. Pythons.
Where are they?
Obiora! One up!
Go and compel the king and queen. Go! Odugo ko ya ada. Odugo ko ya ada.
Python did what? We are facing.
You and who? That is Awole's voice. Come. No, brother. Yeah. Go. Awele, if you can hear me, scream so I can hear you. Awele! Careful. Awele! Awele, if you can hear me, say something. Awele, back in up. Sister Awele. Awele.
You don't know what I'm thinking.
No, brother, no.
Let it run.
Sister Awele. Awele. Sister Awele. Awele, say something now, please. Sister Awele. Go. Get me a bit of relief. Nkem. Sister, you're fine. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Let's go home. Okay? Let's go. Sister, sorry.
Please go and rekindle the fire.
Ne, you know I've taken my bath. And you're telling me to go and rekindle that fire. You want me to be smelling smoke.
Hello, to go never. Let me create it.
No.
Sorry.
Sorry. We are home now, okay? We're home. You'll be fine.
Hey.
Lie down, Papa. Nobody, not even your mother.
Brother, but you've told Sister Wele and I before. Or do you see me as a talkative?
I did not call you a talkative. I'm only trying to refresh your memory. You know your mother can be very, very fearful. Do not tell anybody about it. Do you understand?
Okay, brother.
Very good. Okay, let me go. I'll be back later. Take care of Awele for me. You know Kukwe is just like an idol. She doesn't do anything, she doesn't move. So please take care of Awele for me, okay?
How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling a little bit weak. Mananne, this thing gives serious pains. No wonder animals have been killed when caught by that trap.
Okay, you weren't seeing animal trap as something that could even kill human beings.
Come back, wow.
Away from Akana. Onye jiwe boy nyapokolo. That thing is a very dangerous weapon, though. You were even lucky you went to the bush with your brother.
Oh.
Otherwise, who could have come to your rescue? Eh?
All thanks to Obiora. I was so lucky.
Very, very lucky, my dear. Eh? Very lucky. And let me go and check Okupe in the kitchen to see what she's doing. Eh?
Okay, Mama. So worried.
Hey.
Obiora, I thought you said Osinaka said he was going to come back here.
That was what he told me before leaving.
Well, it's been long now. He was supposed to have come back.
But maybe something came up in their house.
It's just that I'm missing him so much.
Missing him? But it's not been long he left here.
You won't understand.
Understand what, Sister Wele? Eh? Sometimes I wonder if both of you will die together.
My brother, if it's possible, that's my prayer. Let me die.
Where do you think you're going to? Huh?
Can't you mind your business for once in this village, Eluka?
So you think you can compete over Awele's love with me in this community?
Compete? Who is competing with you? Eh? It is you who has refused to leave me alone in this village, Eluka.
Then remove your hand from what is mine.
Awele does not love you. She doesn't want you. Do you need a dibia to tell you that?
Watch your mouth, or I'll rip off your tongue.
You will rip my... What are you talking about? Because you parade yourself as the strongest man in this village, you think I'll be scared of you?
What do you mean by that?
Meaning that I am not scared of you, Eluka.
You want to drag the sleeping lion? I will show you why they fear me in this village.
What? You think I'm a tree? You hit me, I think I won't hit you back? Do your worst!
Osinaka!
Do your worst!
I don't think everything is alright. I mean, Osinaka has never made a promise to me and failed to keep it. I'm afraid something is wrong.
I've told you, sister. Maybe he's too busy at home.
I know when.
What is it I'm hearing? What did you hear? Obioma, what happened when Femi Robin? Because no. Eh?
Osinakachiku. What happened to him? Biko no biora.
My son. Look at me. Osinaka. Hey. Osinaka had the guts to enter into a duel with me because of Awele.
Ochoreo, does he want to kill himself because of a girl?
He wants to die, and I will kill him because of Awele. Who that boy?
Nano Sisi Gani Guma, Oporo, Nano Sisi.
The worst part of it is that I don't even know what Awele saw in that boy. A boy that cannot protect her or give her anything, yet she's following him.
That's power of family time.
What do you mean by that?
The both families are in good relationship. And that's what made me feel she chose Osinaka above you and all other men that are in this village.
Aye, chief warrior of this village. Odima.
Calm down. I am here for your good. So stop acting like a baby.
Just leave me alone, please. I don't know who you are.
I don't want you to love me against your will. That's why I am doing everything to make sure you love me at will.
Human beings and spirits do not fall in love. Leave me alone, please.
I am sorry I cannot. Because you belong to me and me alone.
That's a lie. That's a blatant lie.
We shall see then.
You better get ready to kill me. Because I'd rather die than give in to your threats.
Obi, I will advise you leave Awole for a little and embrace me.
Never! Never.
Never say never. You are a memo to my love. Besides, I can make the whole world crawl at your feet. If only you can accept and tolerate me. And I can give you whatever you desire.
Tofiakwa! Tofiakwa!
Abin! 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 You cannot resist me forever. It's only a question of a couple of years. Meanwhile, I have to protect you for the appointed time. I love you, Obi. And I am sure you will get to love me too.
I did not say anything about Osinaka. I'm talking about what I heard about you. What happened to you? Is it true? No, talk! My leg. It's just my leg.
Your leg?
Hey! Hi. Ndo. Hey! I'm worried about Osinaka. Still saying it. I can feel it. There's something wrong. There's something wrong, I'm telling you.
It's okay.
I saw everything. Yes, I saw everything.
What did you see, Okukwe?
How he was attacked.
Chimo! Who are you talking about?
Brother Osinaka.
Ow! Chimo! Awele! Awele!
Don't let her. Don't let her, please.
Sister Awele!
Awele! Awele! Awele!
Get up! Get up! Get up!
Asinaka, please. Please, open your eyes.
What happened? What happened? What happened to you?
My son.
Wait.
Please open your eyes. Please.
What happened?
Open your eyes.
Wait. Megan, no. Open your mouth.
Open your eyes.
Hey, woman. Hey, I'm not going to. Wait. Hey.
You're leave me alone.
Calm down.
You heard Okupo said something happened to Snaka. You're telling me to come down because Sim knows of
Sister
what.
Biko.
Nobody goes to mass in the priest's house.
Why Okube?
Because it's not safe. Sister Awole, you have to stay strong. Just go home.
Yes, Obioma.
Probably she missed out.
I just hope Snaka is fine.
He's fine.
I never knew this life is so important to every man except to me, the Onochie one. What kind of rubbish is this? I saw you and I decided to greet you. Is that a crime? By scaring me? Depends. I never knew you were as scared as this. I thought every man in the whole of Umuneke community is as brave as me, Onochie one. I never knew you were a woman. Sorry. Onochie. Huh? Onochie. Just respect yourself, Onochie. Respect yourself, Onochie. What do you think you can do to me? Okay, because I have this. Now you thought I'm drunk. I will make sure I keep the condition of your teeth exactly like my own. If you try me, I'll finish you. Go and wake your father and ask him for a fight. Njoku, wait. Njoku is just a joke. I'm only joking with. Go and joke with your mates. Forgive and forget. Don't you have a forgiving heart? Careful. Onochie. It seems it is time I report your stupidity to the Council of Chiefs. The Council of Chiefs, they knew my condition already, all the bad. They knew. But I have an important message for the Igwe. It's a revelation. Go to the forest and tell it to the birds. Wait, the message is not for the birds, it's for the Igwe and the Igwe alone. Wait for me. Wait, Njoku, are you heading to the palace? It is my direction.
Ikenga dike na-eri ebunu ikenga onye ụjọ na-akpụ akwa ikenga dike na-eri ebunu ikenga onye ụjọ na-akpụ akwa ikenga onye ụjọ na-akpụ akwa. You have succeeded in compelling the king to commit a sacrilege by sacrificing 2 virgin maidens to a foreign god in order to have an heir to the throne. Your second mission has been achieved. We will wait and watch the aftermath of the sacrilege committed by the king and his queen. At the same time, be ready for your next mission.
I am ready.
Ikenga dike na-eri ebunu ikenga onye ụjọ na-akpụ akwa ikenga onye ụjọ na-akpụ akwa ikenga dike na-eri ebunu isi kalaka na-egbu ogidi isi na kalaka bụ ogidi ogidi anyị kwuo ya ọnụ odogwu ka egbu. Stand up, wash your face there. You are now protected against the wrath of the gods. Odoguneli.
I know one day the gods will give me a very beautiful woman. I'm telling you, I need ononog, something very sweet. We'll have stages. 1, ononog, 2, opuaka. Then we'll have V-check. But the gods, I don't want to obabo. It is very dangerous. That stage is bad. But when you have that.
Oh, not here.
Hey! Hey,
You are the eyes of the gods.
eh? Hey! I will stop drinking. I will stop drinking alcohol. Hey! That's what you get. Oh, my God.
Your food is in the room. Should you feel hungry before we come back from the farm?
I'm good. My son, please don't stress yourself, oh? We will not be too long at the farm, oh? Be a man. Just hold yourself so we can, oh?
Please take care of yourself.
Nai, good morning. Nai, good morning.
Good morning.
Fine.
How's your mother?
She's fine, no.
Your siblings. Oh, you're welcome.
Thank God you came.
Nne, Kine Kuzioto, I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. I was not comfortable leaving him alone in this condition.
Sonkaha, so Wadiro, I'll take care of him until your papa return.
Izubu.
Kaipo.
Please, take care of him for
So Wadiro.
Let's go.
Okay, Kimi.
I'm surprised to see you here this early.
I could not sleep all night. What do you expect me to do?
How are you? I hope you're fine now.
And how do you expect me to be fine when you were still far away from me?
What are you talking about, Awele?
I am not Awele!
I noticed you had a long hectic night. That's why I decided to come and see you first.
What is wrong with you? Must you keep on disturbing me? Am I the only man in this village? Barugo?
You are the only man in this entire community that my heart beats for.
Come here.
Amarugo gini kameregi ijatuyari mukibu ogini kameregi ijatuyari mukibu Amarugo gini kameregi ijatuyari mukibu ogini kameregi ijatuyari mukibu
leave before I'm forced to do something stupid.
Obi, you have to drop that thing.
Do not touch me. Don't you dare.
Obi, please. Drop that machete before you hurt yourself with it.
Awaruko, you have dared the anger in me. Leave now.
No. I cannot let you hurt yourself with this.
Let go!
No matter what you do, I still love you. I forgive you, my love. I forgive you. Stop rejecting me.
Obi, open your eyes now, because no, because nine. Obi, because I'm not open your eyes. Obi, nine. Obi, because the man, nine, Jimmy. Okay. It's our way, because no, open your eyes, Obi, nine. Awele.
Where could she have gone this morning in her condition under the rain?
She went to see Brother Snaka to find out why I didn't come back yesterday.
Without saying good morning to her own mother?
Truth is the mother of forgiveness and
mercy. She should not allow love ruin her life. Eh?
Mama, it's okay, huh? She will soon be back.
No problem. It's just that I was worried that she could have gone to the stream with the wound on her leg. Eh?
I'm hungry.
Don't worry. You will eat very soon. Eh?
Has she gone?
Who?
She.
Who is she? What are you saying?
My love, is it really you?
Yes, it's me, your love. It's me.
When did you come?
Not long ago. Okay. What happened? You just fainted.
I'm hungry. I'm really, really hungry.
Are you alone at home?
Yes. But my mother left some food for me in the house.
It's okay. I'll get you food. Oh, but you need to rest. Biko. Eh?
Ebunike, good day.
Good day. What do I owe this interception?
I'm here to send a message across to our wedding children.
Why through me? You know their house.
Simply because she listens to you. And besides, you are the best medium to send this message across to her.
Okay, go ahead. I'm all ears.
Please. Tell her to leave my man alone.
So who is your man?
Osinaka! Huh?
Hi.
Tell her to leave my man alone. Tell her to stop daring a sleeping lion. Or ready to face the wrath of that lion when it wakes up.
Are you the sleeping lion?
Yes.
You are the sleeping lion.
I'm not here for stupid talks. Just try and save her from my impending wrath. If truly you care for her.
Eh?
Where are the points?
Hey, women, what's not here? These ones will kill you. If the sleeping lion wakes up, I will take the message across. Then one way I will. What's the rent? Come on, I'm not going to.
Obi, you still haven't told me what made you faint and what you were doing in the middle of the compound holding a cutlass. Osinaka, I'm worried. Coupled with the fact that you told me you were coming to the house to see me yesterday and I didn't see you again.
Okay. A couple of things happened and I don't understand why.
What do you mean a couple of things happened? Big Obi, you have to tell me things that happened because I haven't seen or heard you talk like this all my life.
Look, I've kept these things from you for so long because I don't want to bother you and I don't want to get you scared.
I don't understand. What do you mean scare me? I don't get what you're saying. Please talk to me.
Do you know Abarugo?
Abarugo.
The tall, pretty maiden now.
Oh, you mean Abarugo, the orphan?
As people call her.
What do you mean as people call her?
The Abarugo that I know is not an orphan.
Here, Obi, Ibiakwa.
Look, Abarugo is more or less a spirit. Look, it is not hearsay, okay? I am very, very sure of this.
Oh.
She has and she had no human parents.
Where did you hear this one?
Look, I can't explain this thing to you right now. I'll settle down and explain it to you later.
Good morning.
Awele, how are you?
I'm fine.
Awele, you know what? I thank our gods for this meeting.
I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem, but a message. No, a warning for you, Awele.
A warning?
Yes.
For me?
Yes.
From whoever may ask.
Awele, you do not have two enemies in the village, and you know that. You have only one enemy.
I don't think I have any enemies. How about people should know that I hate troubles?
Well, there's no need beating about the bush. Awele, Anguli said I should warn you concerning your relationship with Osinaka.
Awele, go back and tell her I said she is a madam idol. Awele of all people, warning me to leave Osinaka.
Well, I think I've fulfilled my promise to her. I just have done that. While she was even talking to me, I knew her warnings were inconsequential.
Of course, my brother.
Knew that. Unless I forget, where are you coming from?
My brother, I went to see Osinaka. He was attacked by that big for nothing that calls himself Eluka.
Osinaka, he'll be feeling so bad about me, thinking I heard all this and never came to know how he's faring. Hey.
I don't think so. You should go and see him.
Let me see him, Mano. Let me see him. Ahead, please. In whatever thing you do with Angry or Momo, be careful. You know both of them are friends.
I should be careful.
Be very careful.
You know I'm not scared of anybody. Let alone a fellow woman. Smaller woman. Let's leave that first. She's a small girl. You take good care of yourself and have a nice day.
Let me see Osinaka.
Okay.
Be careful, oh.
All right.
Onye na chuma chuzina mo we embergi. Onye na chuma chuzina mo we embergi. Onye na chuma chuzina odi embergi. Onye na chuma chuzina mo we embergi.
You must go and save her now. Go. Go and save her.
Okukwe! Okukwe, come back here! Okukwe! Okukwe, come back here!
Where could she have run to? Hey. Ike Ugulo.
Sawele, Chimo, let's go home. It's not safe for you here. Okukwe. Let's go.
No! No! How dare she? How dare that little brat? I must find out. I must find out who sent her.
This is unbelievable. I never heard of this at all.
I know.
Hey, come to think of this. Does Elika think he can take away Awele's love by his strength?
Then he should be ready to kill me. Because I'm not ready to sacrifice my love for Awele. Never.
Another thing is that I do not know what Elika and Awele want from you and Awele. Obviously, I do not know.
Both of them are the least of my problems.
Osinaka. Osinaka, you are underestimating them. You do not have to do that. It is high time you wore your armor and fought them, especially Eluka. Because Eluka is ready to take your life to make sure he takes Awele from you.
What I'm facing right now is beyond human power and battle.
Osinaka, you sound weird. I'm your friend here. Come on, come on, come on. You don't have to sound that way.
I'm confused.
What do I think there's something you're finding difficult.
Do you know Abarugo?
The orphan?
Orphan indeed. Abarugo is not an orphan. She is a wandering witch.
Osinaka, which Abarugo are you talking about here?
The same Abarugo you and I know as an orphan.
You said Abarugo is a witch?
Yes, she is a witch.
How sure are you?
She has been tormenting me to marry her.
Yeah?
She has been tormenting me with all forms of magical threats. Every form you can think of. Just to lure me to marry her. The latest of her threats came today, in this house.
No, Osinaka, you are not sure. Osinaka, you need to be sure of whatever you say. You are not sure.
How do you think I'll be joking with something like this? Okay, it started 2 months ago.
So, Philip, I'm tired of standing here waiting for who we are not even sure to see.
Why are you talking like this? Are you wishing me good or bad? Huh? How can you be saying such a negative thing? I will definitely give Awele this information. I don't understand you.
Look,
huh?
I'm not trying to discourage you. It's just that I'm really hungry. I'm very hungry. I go.
That is it. Why won't you be hungry? Sinners with percentage. Look, let me tell you this.
Yes.
Stop supporting him so that you can live long.
Leave this place now.
Good. I like it. I am happy that you acknowledge my titleship.
What?
Onochie 1. Don't forget.
What titleship are you talking about? Onochie, don't push me to crush your bone. Leave this place now.
Let me tell you, you cannot do anything. I am telling you to your face, you cannot do anything to me. Leave me alone. First I tell you, I will beat you like a baby.
But did you hear what the woman was pricing my vegetables for?
I couldn't say a word.
You just kept on laughing. It's not nice. I'm telling you.
I saw the both of you. Well, in all honesty, I thank the gods for today's market.
I didn't have any strength anymore to remain in that market.
I was just selling the things like this.
Lucky you. Tomorrow is my turn. Watch out. I still sold on my own.
If I don't beat you like a baby, call me master. Leave him. If you can't leave him, if you can't, I will fall through my distance and finish you. If you can't leave him, just lie. Maybe Sunday I will have your time. I must go home.
But you know, even after money, only an ani. You talk open in ani.
Look.
That's huge.
You still wait to energy on him. Leave him. He's just a distraction.
Huh? Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Good day, Onochie.
Huh? You are worthy to be adored.
Thank you very much.
Give it a piece of advice. Never you listen to that big for nothing yellow papa that calls himself Elo. Nor tremble at the useless threats of the village prostitute that is called that one. They are fighting for nothing. Osinaka is the best man for you in this village. Maninya kwom move on dotie mado vero kodo na domo.
Onochie.
One. That is me. Don't forget to put one. Onochie 1.
Onochie 1.
Damn.
Well, you know I like you very much.
Good.
But don't worry. The gods will give you a very good and beautiful woman like me.
Hey, you see. It's more than easy.
Thank you for your love and concern.
Jalo, it's a love. Because for a celebration, more love. It's a love. Thank you for your concern. Go your way. No evil man or woman will see you.
He said.
No spirit will take your place.
He said, thank you very much, Onochie. I should
good.
believe you now before my mother gets worried.
Go home. But please don't forget to tell Osinaka that he should never fear nor tremble, no matter how intense the trouble gets.
Alright. Thank you very much. I will deliver your message.
Very good. Hey! Esinazo evo udo. Esiniru bedem. Esinetit evo otarad. Osinaka is enjoying on your run. If I had the opportunity, front and back, I would visit you. Open who honor tier 1.
come to me, my love.
I am not your love. I don't know you. I don't know who you are.
But I just saved you from this dangerous beast.
Thank you for your intervention, but that does not make me your love.
Your gods trembles my heart. I like that. But you have no other choice than to come to me.
I'd rather die than come to you.
I won't let such happen to you. You belong to me.
I belong to no one.
Okukwe, why are you shedding tears?
This community is in great danger.
What do you mean? May the gods forbid. The gods of our land will not allow anything happen to our village.
I pray so.
But what did you see this time?
This message is not for you.
But it's something that concerns our village.
Not just the village.
Only the gods know where you're from. Your life is so strange.
Sister Awele is at the back.
Only the gods know who this girl is. Awele, what has your mother said about her mystic powers?
My mother doesn't even believe that Okukwe has such powers.
How do you mean?
I mean, Mama does not.
Are you trying to tell me that your mother has turned a blind eye towards Okukwe?
Not really. It's just that my mother still dwells in doubt. That is what I feel.
Who in this village doesn't know that Okukwe has divine powers?
So Mom, only my mother doesn't think that she has those powers.
What surprises me the most is that she speaks in parables. Awele, it's high time we started reading meanings to all this.
My dear, as for me, anything Okukwe says, I don't take for granted. I'm telling you, I just can't help it. That girl sees everything.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I'm really scared.
It's a gift, like you said.
Oh, gods of Umuneke community, where are you? Or have you turned your back on us? How can we lose our king and win this time?
No. My fellow chiefs, I think it is time we go to the neighboring communities and seek for help, since our traditional men and women who we thought were powerful have failed us, since they have failed to revive our king and our queen. We need to seek help outside.
I agree with you.
Well, okay, but what have we not done? Does it mean we no longer have gods?
No. Maybe they have left us. Left us and gone where? Left us and gone where? Where did they go to? What wrong have we done? This is strange. What do we do? I'm confused myself.
Cancel. I have to fly. I would like to fly to the palace so that I can be able to. Hey! Council of Elder. In fact, let me. Hey!
Njo?
Why are you heading to that direction?
Onochie.
Yeah?
So you have gotten drunk this early morning. No, to one mother. Hey.
Njo, let me tell you. Do not rejoice yet over the calamities that has befallen this community. I wonder.
Onochie, what did you just say? Onochie, so you are insinuating that I am responsible for the strange, incurable ailment that has befallen our king and our queen. Okay?
Onjoku, you said that. I never said it. But as you have mentioned it, I would have asked you to call and explain it. But I don't have your time because I'm heading to a meeting. Onjoku, please, I am begging you to give me a horse ride. Give me a horse ride to the palace. I will pay you handsomely, Onjoku.
Mpago. Huh? Go and wake your father. Go and wake your father and ask him for a back ride, a horse ride.
Onjoku, I have a meeting with the council of chiefs. I don't want to be there late. Why are you laughing at me? Okay, now.
Can't you go to one more? It is clear that alcohol is talking. Very clear. Alcohol is talking.
Onjoku, you can be stingy, I understand. But at least, can I borrow your wings? I want to fly.
Onochie.
Njo?
Onochie.
Njo?
Ndo. Sorry for you.
Njoku Mundo. Njoku, can you be my wire? Anyway, I don't have your time. My movement is to the palace. Ndo Council of Elder. I must get to my destination.
Oh no. DJ. I know of one very powerful mercy woman from Amuri community. You all remember that my late wife is from that community.
Yes, yes.
So, he can even help us. Okay, in that case, are you optimistic that this mercy woman will cure our king and the queen? Well, from what I heard though, I believe she can.
Oh no.
DJ, let me tell you, there is no time for consideration of certainty. The question should be, how do we meet this nursing woman?
Exactly.
That is the question.
Now remember, I still have in-laws from that community. They will help us out. Oh no, I believe.
In that case, let us set out for her.
Have you ever asked yourselves why your king could not have an heir upon all his efforts with that of the queen? And also, have you thought of why this community has no chief priest for many years?
But who are you?
I am Ujofogana.
We have thought of those things. But what can we do, since the gods have chosen to remain silent? Okay?
Oh no. The king and the queen must answer the call of nature when their time is due. And nobody, I repeat, nobody can do anything to stop that.
What has befallen us? Hey!
I don't know why my son has insisted that he must clock 27 before he will get married.
Maybe that is when he will see the woman he wants to marry. Well, Mama, what do you want me to see? Manane, Snaka is the reason I'm still in my father's house.
I know.
I mean, I can't wait for us to get married so that I can live with him as his wife.
I know. Yeah, but you know, Osinaka, my son, is not someone that I even understand. Do you know that sometimes in this house, he will not eat cooked food for 7 days?
Mama, if we were foreigner, sometimes his actions baffles me too.
You and this your husband.
Mama. Obim.
Sinaka.
Welcome.
No.
Has it been long since you came?
Not too long. I've been helping Mama in the kitchen.
No wonder. That's no wonder she be putting pressure on me to get married without even considering my financial strength.
Would you blame her? Or don't you know she needs a woman helper in this house because of her health condition?
You will support her now.
Before one time.
Look
this
at you.
Is my mother too. Welcome back.
I want to build another house in this compound before we get married.
What happened to this one here?
This one will not accommodate all of us.
All of us. How many of us are you talking about here?
They're going to bear me 10 children.
Around the road. 10 children. How can I?
Come on. But you don't want to bear me many children.
Of course I want to. But I want you to know that I am not the giver of children.
Well, the giver of children has endorsed my request. I'm sure of that.
When I carry 5 children, you will carry the remaining 5.
Of course. Yeah. You can't have bronze.
Papa, no.
Wait. There is an important discussion I want to hold with you.
Nam, I have told you to stop calling me by that name. You will not listen.
I am your father. And I have every right to call you by whatsoever name I desire.
No problem. Continue. When I stop answering that name, that's when you know that you stop calling me by that rubbish name.
Until that time.
Okay.
Listen, you have to take it easy on your father.
Don't tell me that too. What's the meaning of that thing he's calling me? He knows that I hate fetish attachment.
Just take it easy. The time you stop calling him like that. You don't have to shout at him like that.
Thank you.
Leave me alone. You see me suffering yourself. This is constitutional. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Because then you are going to keep worrying of this community because of your mom.
They don't have to go to my chief warning. Leave me alone.
Carry them for you.
Happy haircut. One maybe. Sports generation.
Hey, Osi, please give me a chance in your life. Just a chance.
Anwari. Anwari. Huh? What is wrong with you? You've lost your pride as an African woman.
Hey.
It's very shameful of you.
My love, see, I love you. Please, just...
Since when did Igbo women start throwing themselves at men?
Hey.
Answer me!
Forgive my manners, but I love you. Osi, I love you.
Yeah.
Please.
Wake up from your dreams, and face the reality.
Hey. Osi, please. Please, I beg you. Please don't leave me.
Don't worry. Go home and go and help your poor mother.
Hey.
Please. No, rather than roaming around here and craving for the impossible. Have things to do. Have my
Osi, you must love me.
What?
Hey.
Get him, Mama.
You must love
Abubakar.
me. Hey.
Abubakar. Amori. Abubakar. Go here, be here. I'm going to call my cousin. I'm going to
Osnaka, please. Hey. Osnaka, I will die. I will just die. I will just kill myself.
Hey, if it is your fate, who am I to change it?
Osnaka, please. Please, I love you.
Nonsense.
Ambarugo gịnị ka m mere gị iji atụgharị m ka igbuo ọ gịnị ka m mere gị iji atụgharị m ka igbuo.
Which way? Make a community. One mystery of God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. How many times have I called you?
3 times so.
I think Onoche will be a useful tool in solving this mystery in this community.
You are right.
My son, I want to show you all the parcels of land that belong to me. Because nobody knows tomorrow.
Now you're sounding as if you are.
Death does not ring bell before it kills, does it, my son? But I'm not dying anytime soon. But I won't be afraid to die when evening death comes. But
Gin and Nem will live to see your grandchildren.
It's
We have to rest though. I'm tired. Huh?
Me too, I'm tired, eh? Let's rest here, Mama.
No. We can't rest here until we get home.
Why? Can't you see I'm tired?
This place is not safe for us to live.
I wonder where you got this superstitious instinct that does not allow you to reason like a human being.
Doubt can lead to mystery.
Go. If you can't have some rest here with us.
You heard him, eh? The Uzo, eh? We are coming.
God.
Somebody help!
No! I thought I warned you not to stay under that tree.
Okukwe?
I had the same dream.
Hey. Onotiana, move on Otiana Kwana. Naya Narotiana. Onotiana. Stop there. Move on Otiana. Nanti move on Otiana. Ola kenge. Na ebu ake Otiana. Na bu Otiana. Onotiana rana. Move on Otiana. Adam, hello, Candidika. Hello,
Eloka and Didika. Eloka and Didika.
What is it?
Eloka and Didika.
Onana Kubudagwa.
Oh. Kenetigi. Thank you, God, that my in-law just rescued you. If not, I would have slaughtered you like a stubborn rabbit that you are. Eloka, you cannot do anything.
Okay, Mechon.
Eloka, let's go. Now, no, Nathan, you chibunta.
One Onochie to mind his own business in this village. Want him to mind his business. Otherwise, he will die before his time.
What exactly did he do?
Dwyer!
He want to kill you.
Dwyer!
Leave Eloka to me. Leave Eloka.
What did you do to them?
I did not do anything to them. It's just that I was telling them the bad things that are doing in this village. That is all.
How do you mean?
See, that big one. Hey, look. That yellow pop is a womanizer. All he does in this village is spoiling all the small girls that we have in this village, simply because he sees himself, or even calls himself the great warrior. You don't know. His next target now. I will. Ha.
Now I can connect the reason he called me in-law.
Bam! You see, it is not possible for him to get away. Because I trust Awele, your daughter. He cannot even try.
Not the man, so hot water will teach him to stop.
Thank you. If you want to pour him hot water, pour it on his chest. Are you working out on me?
See, you people should have been respecting me in this village. If not for the fact that my size is like this, divide me into two, I'll be taller and bigger than that idiot. The way they are following, move, man. And I'm not here. One. We're not here.
You're acting like the master of the game. Now let me show you. You've been cheating. I'm going to show you that I am a champion.
What kind of champion?
Watch out.
Because of it.
Watch out. Oh yeah.
Calm down. Okay, now I think you're
Let's
good.
go. She wants to rule this community.
Who wants to rule this community?
She knows you, but you don't know her.
Hold on, she knows me, but I don't know her.
Yes.
Okay, can you please tell us who she is?
She wants to use it to achieve her mission and will destroy you if you fail to
What exactly are you talking about?
Don't let her win. She is not who you think she is. She is more than what you think she is. And to get rid of her, a great sacrifice must be made.
Ambarugo gini kameregi ijatuyari mukibu ogini kameregi ijatuyari mukibu Ambarugo gini kameregi ijatuyari mukibu
What do you want my Runaba to do for you?
I better God. There is this young man my heart desires.
Speak not further. My Runaba has seen your case. Mabiruru enyi veri n'ọnụ. Onye afọ makwala n'iki ya bụ ọnụ. Mube kwolulu okwentawari. Kpọọ nwoke pụta ọjụ. Kpọọ nwaanyị pụta ọjụ. Kpọọ nwa Nwandukwe si abịa rie ite n'ajọ ọbịa. You wish to have that young man all to yourself. Yes. Your case is not a pregnant one. With my Runabo, you will have that young man all to yourself.
Thank you. Thank you. That is why I'm here.
Abakiri na-esu ana ọkụ. Gịnị bụ anyị mabana awa esu abana nri? Enye ni nyoso na bụ. Gịnị ka esi abakiri na ka o wee kwọ mme? Bodo na obi ogbenye. My Runabo demands that you bring 7 giant tubers of yam, 2 giant white fowls, 21 cowries, and hot drink for a special sacrifice.
I'm ready to do anything, wise one. I will bring them.
Well, I will tell you what next to do.
I will.
You will enjoy your heart desire.
Wise one.
Onye na-achụ ma achụzina m onwe ihe mere gị. Onye na-achụ ma achụzina m ọ dị ihe mere gị. Onye na-achụ ma achụzina m onwe ihe mere gị. Onye na-achụ ma achụzina m ọ dị ihe mere gị.
Osinaka! Why are you here? What are you doing here?
I didn't see you coming.
You didn't see me coming. How would you see me when you were here, lost to thoughts?
My brother, don't mind me.
Oh. I was on my way to Awele's house to check after you.
I'm just coming from there.
Osinaka, what is bothering you? Why are you sitting here all alone? And don't pretend. Tell me the truth.
Okukwe just told me something now that has got me worried and has got me thinking.
Oh, Okukwe again? What did she say this time? What?
Somebody in this community is trying to use me to achieve her mission.
Achieve her mission? What mission?
To rule this community. And I think I know who the person is.
Then who is the person?
Abaruko.
Hey.
But she has failed. She has failed because she chose the wrong person.
Please mind how you call that name before she appears here.
What is wrong with this one? What is wrong with you? Huh? If you're afraid of her, that is your business. I am not afraid of her and I will never ever be. The worst she can do is to kill me. Killing me will make her mission impossible.
Sinaka, no. Sinaka, you never can tell. You never can tell.
Forget it. Kill me! Come! Come and kill me!
No, don't come! Oh. Hey! Don't come! Don't! Hey!
So does it mean that we just sit and watch our king and queen die this time?
Ndike, what do we do? This is the first time in the history of our community
wrong that the gods that we so much rely on this time have abandoned us.
Who are we? Who are we to question the gods of our forefathers?
Ne, but I thought you had slept.
Something woke me up.
Something woke you up? Something like what?
Ne, can I ask you a question?
Okukwe, question woke you up. Eh? You can go ahead and ask your question.
Who am I?
Who you are? Okay. You are the last child of late Mazi and Lolo Echezona.
No, that doesn't answer my question. I mean, who do you think I am?
Okukwe, please. I don't have the strength for this your strange question. Pico.
Do you believe in reincarnation?
Okukwe rapo no maka. Rano maka kan zolu gikenwa. What did I do to you? Eh? Ha!
Don't worry. I know who I am.
You know who you are.
Hold my hands. Look into my eyes.
Who
is she?
She was my great-grandmother.
Can you tell me about her?
So this is true, eh?
What?
She died when I was 7 years old. She was the great priestess of Moon and Light. And she prophesied that she was going to return before she died.
Was she of good or evil?
She was evil, but she regretted her evil deeds before she died.
Thank you, Ine. Thank you for telling me who I am. Good night.
Okay.
Hey. What is wrong with you, Amori? Eh? How dare you? So your madness has taken you this far? Eh?
Okay. Look into my eyes and tell me that you don't love me.
I hate you. I hate you so much, Amorika. Nonsense.
Okay. I wanted to have a taste of my flesh. And I know you wouldn't like to mix with you.
Zuzupapa! Zuzupapa! When am I going to see? I will cut your head with this knife.
I command you to love me right now.
Your charm has failed you. Your charm has failed you. And for your information, no charm or form of compulsion can work against me. None. Now get out of here.
Baba! Baba! Get out! Nonsense. I forget what.
I destroyed her love charm because I can't bear sharing you with another woman.
Just like she has failed. No matter what you do.
You will fail!
Obi, Awole should get ready for my wrath. I have given her enough grace.
No. Don't you touch
Get
our
out
land!
of this!
Awaruko! Do not touch our land! The fight is between me and you! Do you hear me? Do you hear me? What is wrong, my daughter?
Wise one, I have been disgraced by the man I love so much.
Put yourself together.
Wise one, it's as if the charm made him hate me more.
Are you sure you used the charm as I directed?
Yes, wise one. How would I have missed what he asked me to do? I did everything perfectly well.
Calm down. Let me consult my oracle. Tidike na Sanjoku etokala akwora etokala sobu wela otro na se bata na akwora otro se gwajoku ada bayogi okaro takwale botro na bodo so na bokodo manya ibe ngwedo do gbi ewu I knew something was wrong somewhere because my Runabo has never failed before.
Wise one, what was wrong?
It is like you touch him with your right hand before your left hand.
I can't remember which of my hands touched him first.
My Runabo cannot lie.
Please, what do I do? I mean, what do I do now?
Another sacrifice.
The same sacrificial items?
No. It has to be a fast sacrifice this time. So that you don't make another mistake.
Okay. I'm ready to do anything. Anything you want me to do.
Good. You will bring 2 giant ram, 2 giant sheep, 24 tubers of yam, and other items as in the first sacrifice.
don't have any money to give you.
Oh, Momo. It's like you don't want to support me. Huh? Why now?
How can you say a thing like that?
How can you say you don't have money to lend me? Huh? Remember, you have been my backbone in this journey. And now you want to leave me. Is it fair?
Okay, fine. For peace to reign, I will support you with anything I have.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, Mama.
Okay,
hey,
let's go to my house.
It is hot. Oh,
go. Obin. Nkem. Oh, Mali Chambo. I want you to promise me one thing.
What is it, Obin?
That you'll be strong for me through the thick and thin of this journey of love that we've embarked on.
Onyenkem, come rain, come shine, I will be strong for you.
True love conquers all, and it is our solid foundation. I love you, Obim.
And I love you too.
I prefer to be young and beautiful forever. He is the only eligible man to make me look young forever. I wanted him to accept me as well, but he's proving too stubborn. No, I cannot afford to look old or lose the throne. He has no choice again. No choice again.
Great goddess of Yoji River, I greet you.
I wish to remind you of your own part of our agreement, in case you have forgotten.
How can I forget, great goddess? I cannot forget. I remember it. I have already started making arrangements to make sure that I don't fail you.
It is just remaining 90 days. I would have made it happen earlier, but the hand of time cannot be fast forwarded. 90 days. 90 days.
I cannot fail you. You did not fail me, and I won't have any reason to fail you.
I will bring you on his 27th birthday. Okay, I will not fail you.
Awele, let me tell you, the battle of love has never ended, and it will not, unless something otherwise happens. And I promise you that I will make sure it come to pass. I will sacrifice my life to see it come to pass.
Hey, Awele, the gods of true love are fighting me. Take a good look at yourself. Making yourself an object of mockery in this community. My beautiful woman, you should be ashamed of yourself. Killing yourself over a man with him
Who cares? Who cares what people think of me in this village? I love Osinaka. I love him, and I'm not ashamed of it. I don't care. Everyone is accountable to his or her own deeds. And you have the guts to tell me the gods of true love are fighting my battles. Show me that perfect me, and I will show you a sinner.
One advice is what I have. Amend you. Take a good look at you. You are a beautiful girl.
Okay.
Change your ways and get your man. Kill yourself. You are a denial.
Idiots! This girl has really teared me in this village. She has pushed me beyond the limit of my tolerance. And I will show her that I'm not just an ordinary girl in this village. I will show her.
Children.
What does he come here to?
My in-law. My in-law. Ndeme.
What have you come to do in my house?
Nah, that's not a proper way to welcome an August visitor like me.
August visitor? I can't remember inviting you to my house. Besides, you have nothing to do with me nor with my children.
Nah, people say the journey of 1,000 miles starts from one. I have only come to make my nursing intention known to you.
A stubborn fly follows its cup to the grave.
Eloka, I have taken my time and looked into your life, and I found out that you are nothing but an agent of evil.
Huh? What have I done to you to warrant this insult?
Everything evil! Everything evil!
I don't understand.
You think I will fold my arms and watch you destroy the life of my daughter the way you do to some other girls in this village? No, possible.
But I've only come to establish my relationship with the family.
Relationship will quag there. So when the bruise maybe relationship.
Ogene, what is this? Mind how you talk to me. Do not forget, I'm the chief warrior of this village.
Eh?
I'm not one of those small boys you talk to anyhow.
You want to beat me in my own house, eh? I'm gonna go ahead. Beat me. I said beat me. Oh, you think everybody in this village is afraid of you? Eh? Warrior, my boy.
Enough is enough. For the fact that I came to look for your daughter does not give you the impetus to talk to me anyhow. What if I go? What if I go?
Hey, look, I'm going to leave this compound. I said get out. I said get out. I will hit you with this wood.
It is obvious that death has brought your ear.
Leave.
You know how near?
Leave before you bring curse upon yourself and your generation.
Shut your mouth. Show me that.
You want to beat my daughter and I in my house? Go ahead now.
You are calling for a fight with a demon. I advise you leave my sister.
Nobody can stop me from my heart desires.
Hey, look,
spiritual blindness. May the gods save you from her.
The next time I will see you around my compound, I will bet you with her.
Oh no, Ndinche. Now, this is 2 years since our king and queen died of mysterious ailment without leaving us with a heir apparent. You all know that our tradition says 18 months we must have somebody on that throne. Oh no, who is going to be on that throne? What do we do?
What can we do? What can we do? We all know that our late king had no brother or sister. He had no relative whatsoever. And everybody is afraid of sitting on that throne. Everyone is afraid of that.
Which way? Umuneke community.
What is our shame? Gods of our ancestors.
Greetings in the church.
What is the problem now? Tell us. What do you have for us?
I'm a tier 1.
Okay, other tier 1. What do you have for us?
I have come to take up the mantle of leadership.
Of where?
That is the decision from the gods. That I, Honor Tier 1, will become the interim leader in this community until a chosen one is found. One.
Honor Chair.
1.
Honor Chair.
1.
Honor Chair, I am beginning to suspect you. And my fellow chiefs, I am beginning to suspect that this belligerent, drunk idiot is responsible for every predicament that we suffer in this community.
Yes.
And Honor Chair. Honor Chair.
1 greater new.
But whom are you working for? Is it Ojo Fogana?
Oh no, I work for no man. I only work for the gods of Umuneke community.
Oh no. Oh no. Ndiche, how can a foolish drunk be a king in a community where you have men with all level of wisdom? It is madness. Total madness.
That is your own talk.
Go and tell whoever you are working for that he has failed woefully.
Who am I to oppose the decision of the gods?
Honor Chair, leave this palace.
Leave this palace before I vent my anger on you. I know you can do anything. I'm going. But that is the decision. They have spoken. I leave. I know you can do anything.
Can you imagine?
Ajif.
What nonsense?
That is why I call you.
It is high time. It is high time we begin to monitor this honor chair to know what he's up to in this community.
Look, you shouldn't have challenged the woman. You shouldn't have. At least to show that what you are looking for is very important to you.
I did not think towards that direction. Besides, that woman abuse on me was unbearable. That was why I angrily voiced out.
I believe that love is tolerant and it endures. Don't you think? Don't you?
What do you think I should do? You know I cannot lose Awele to that small rat. Not with all my popularity in this community.
Then go and make peace with the mother.
Make peace? How do I go about it? Neonaka, how do I go about it?
To be sincere, Inuka, sincere.
Hey!
I don't know.
My hot temper has ruined me, my friend.
Philip, see, I believe it is never late.
Are you sure?
It is not late.
When exactly are you turning 27?
In 3 months' time. Nam, I hope you did not call me out here to talk about marriage, because I've told you my decision on that one and nothing will change it.
I thought we have settled the issue of marriage. So that's not why I called you here.
I hope so.
On your 27th birthday, I want us to go to Iyoji River.
To do what?
Calm down, my son. I know you never liked Iyoji River from childhood.
Nobody likes Iyoji River. Nobody. Huh? All I hear about Iyoji River right from when I was a child was just evil stories of different kind. Nobody has ever gone to the Iyoji River for anything good. Why would you say such a thing?
My son, your future lies in that river.
Chukwajo! Whose future? My future lies in the hand of Chiokike, the god of creation. That is why my mother named me Osinaka Chukwu. I have nothing to do with the Iyoji River. Nothing.
I know you won't understand.
There is nothing to understand, Nam. Nothing. In fact, I'm leaving.
There is nothing as bad as deafness.
The evil that men do now lives with them, no longer after them.
Onochie. Onochie, why do you make me to see you as an enemy when we can be friends?
Manana, it is not possible I cannot be your friend. One, you are an evil man. Two, you are a wolf in sheep's clothing, looking for whom to devour with your tricks. But it is not possible, you cannot get me.
So we cannot be friends.
Wow.
Let me go and buy you fresh palm wine. I'll give you fresh palm wine.
Njoku, I am the mouthpiece of the gods. And my mouth is being controlled by the gods and by the gods alone. So you cannot bribe me. It is not possible. You can't bribe the gods.
Onochie, are you telling me that you cannot mind your own business and allow me to mind my own?
I cannot.
So you will not leave me alone?
No one.
No, you talk and go. You don't want my palm wine.
You're in trouble.
One.
The money for the drink. You have to bring it.
What drink?
The drink that you promised me. Also, what drink? The money I will drop this palm wine. You know what I will do to you? Money for palm wine also, Monochi.
Is that not your father?
Njok. Evil. You always have this evil in you. Let me go and see the woman. My late father. You confused me with my late father.
Osinaka Chuku. Osinaka. Osinaka Chuku. Does it mean that my son did not sleep in this house last night? Here you are. And I was inside looking for you. I was looking for you to lead me out in the night when I was stressed.
I was outside here trouble.
Hi. Osinaka Chuku. Don't tell me that far-fetched story. How can you sleep outside?
Nem, I'm worried. I'm really, really worried.
Hi. Don't tell me you meant what you just said.
How can Nam demand that I should go to Ioji River? Ioji?
Makagini, to go and do what?
That is the one I didn't even allow him to say.
Ioji River. That evil river. What for?
It is obvious that Nam has a deep secret that he's keeping to himself.
Hey, don't you think there is a spiritual reason why your father named you Oye?
I thought as much.
Hi.
But it's not for me. No way.
Don't worry. Huh? I will find out whatever it is your father has to do with Ioji River. Huh? Don't worry.
Oh no, chair. This way you are dressed like this. Are you getting married?
Will you shut up and greet me like a king that I am?
Hey, king. Wonder shall never end. So, the kingship of this community has turned to a joke.
Shut up. Can't you see my aids? The gods themselves made me interim Igwe. Eh? So, greet me now as a king, so that the blessings of the kings shall shower on you.
Ewu, I can see this your drunkenness has turned into madness.
Madness?
You are finished on the chill.
You can see she doesn't have spiritual eyes. Let her be. Let us move ahead. I have seen you. You can never run. I am going to come to your vicinity. How are you, my human chiefs?
This is madness.
I am an ambassador of the gods. I can never be mad. Oh no, this man here is evil. An evil man with wicked agenda.
How dare you?
What? Touch me now and see what my gods will do to you.
Good on you.
Nonsense. Oh no, the manful of this man, he is evil. Let me tell you, all your agendas, all your evil plans has been made known by the gods. There's nothing you can do to me.
Njoku.
Calm down. Calm down.
Oh no.
How can you tell me to calm down?
When this idiot, this drunk, this vegetable stands there and calls me an evil man.
Thank you for the new alias. My new name, I like it. I will think about it.
Who doesn't know that he's a drunk with a leaky mouth?
Leaky mouth?
Yes.
Chiga Azogo. Okwago. Onochi Chiga Azogo. Go and thank your stars. Can I go?
Thank your stars that will know we say. Oh, yeah. As long as it's for go now, Chiga Naka.
Oh no, you're going. Oh no, you called me leaky. Chicken song. Money, Muli. Oh no, we have to leak here. Oh no, come and explain the leak you must for why.
Don't worry, I will get back to you.
I don't know. Bad man plus evil man equals to propaganda. That is what you are. But thank God that I'm going.
That stupid drunk is now parading himself in a kingly costume that I don't even know where he got from.
I am not interested in that dead man. My main focus now is how to get that little boy out of my way so that Awele will have no other choice than to accept me.
But her mother and brother don't want to set their eyes on you upon all your efforts to make peace with them. Eloka, do you think you will still win this battle?
Hey! Of course!
Have you forgotten I'm Eloka, the greatest wrestler in this community? I will win this battle even if I have to soak my hands in blood.
You have tried enough.
Enough is not good enough. I have not lost any battle. That is why I am being referred to as the greatest wrestler in this village.
I know, Eloka. You have not.
I'll get it. I will not lose this battle. As for that dirty drunk, I will soon close this chapter. I promise you. Hey, look up! I'll get it!
Easy. Why you?
How can you think of a thing like that, knowing fully well that that river is an abandoned evil river now?
Do you remember how we suffered childlessness and all we passed through on those periods?
How can I ever forget? Never will I forget, Nine. But what has that got to do with our only son going to Iyoji River?
Everything. Iyoji River might be evil to others, but it has been good to my family.
Osigini? To who? Eh? To who? To you alone, Nine. To you alone and not to this entire family. How can you be so blind?
Calm down, my son. Eh? Just calm down.
No, Okwifugie. Nine is making me regret my existence with this is myopic belief.
This myopic belief is the thing with which I brought you into life.
Hi.
It is this my myopic belief that has been carrying me up till now. Don't you think it is a belief that is worth embracing with two hands?
No, Wanka.
Eh?
More. Nothing, no reason will take me to that river. None whatsoever. I have vowed.
You must find a way to convince your son. I don't know what will become of us if he does not go to bath in Iyoji River on his 27th birthday. Do not say I did not warn you.
How can my husband go to Iyoji River to go and ask for a child?
What do you think? What is your take on this matter? My sister, I am so confused right now. Like, I don't even know what to think anymore. I'm tired. I advise he accepts. Obioma, that Osinaka should accept. You and I know very well that that river is an evil river. and you are telling me to tell him to accept. He won't. I don't want anything to happen to him. Awele, no father wishes his child evil. I believe there is a strong reason why he's forcing that on him. You should think about it. I'm just saying. Let's go home.
It's for peace to reign. It is for peace to reign, and that you may be free from some unforeseen miseries that may come from the goddess of that river.
Obi, please, listen to your friend. He is right. Biko,
please. Please, it's for your good, Osinaka.
Osinaka. We need you. You are important to us.
I'm disappointed in you. I'm terribly disappointed in the three of you. I thought you were my friends. Huh? Even you, Awele. I'm disappointed in you. Listen, I'll rather die than step a foot in that river.
Osinaka.
Osinaka, please, I'm sorry. Osinaka.
Osinaka!
He is so hard-hearted. He doesn't listen.
Any man that stands on my way of becoming the next king of this land shall die. I have just 21 days to complete my last assignment. Onochie has become an obstacle to my ambition. Now I will show you what I can do. Onochie ngawaga.
Why does mortals like to wage war with the spirits? Greed and desperation has destroyed mankind.
What are you doing, Okukwe? I wonder why you are so lazy to do anything. Now listen, if you know you can't fetch this firewood here with me, you better go home. Besides, I didn't ask you to follow me.
How dare you, little brat, stand in the way of my destiny and future? How dare you, little brat, stand in the way of my destiny and future?
I have come to atone my evil deeds of the past.
Your evil deeds of the past by making my mission impossible.
You are so unfortunate.
No god or goddess can stop me. I have fought and defeated gods and goddesses more powerful than you.
If only you can see with your ordinary eyes, you will know that I am far greater than a man of your match.
I see you have a big mouth.
Evil cannot prevail over God. will stop me, my mission will be complete.
Why didn't you let me destroy her?
Destroy who? Who are you talking about?
I'm hungry.
These are Onochi's royal costumes and jar. What are they doing here? They have killed him. They have killed him. They have killed him.
What is it? Ogini, what is it?
They've killed him.
Huh?
They killed him and carried his body.
Calm down while talking to us so that we can understand what you are saying.
Onochi. Onochi.
Onochi did what?
He's been killed.
What? Yeah, who told you that?
I was not told. I saw it. I saw his royal costumes and jar with blood stains.
Where did you see that, neighbor?
On my way to the farm.
Hey, hello. What is happening in this community? Hi. Onochi, a drunk. Oh, what a wicked world.
Why now that he is very useful to us? Why?
Come and show us.
Yes, let's
go. Come and take us behind and show us.
Go.
Look,
Yeah?
did you do it?
Do what?
I mean, kill Onochi.
How can you be asking me such a question? Why would I want to waste my strength on that fool?
Just that you had promised to deal with him.
Yes, I did. Said I was going to deal with him, but I don't know anything about his death. The only person on my blacklist now is Osinaka.
Osinaka?
Yes.
Does Awele want human blood? That's not a good topic. And please, don't kill because of a woman.
Huh?
Don't try it.
I'm going.
I've had you. I've had you.
Momo, what are you trying to say?
I don't trust you.
Huh? That I'm responsible for his death? I'm surprised at you. I mean, what do I stand to gain? Huh? What do I stand to gain that I should kill him?
What do you want me to believe? Hey, you threatened to deal with him the last time, didn't you? You did.
So what do you want me to believe? You're my friend and you're thinking like that. Oh, you threatened her. And so? I was telling my mom in our I don't know. What are you thinking? Can I kill you? What? What did I do? What will I gain in killing him? Huh? I was also in Aka again.
Your wife is a witch. She sacrificed her womb to witchcraft.
Hey. My lovely wife cannot be a witch.
Don't doubt the message of the God.
I am not a witch.
Her mission is to destroy posterity in your family. Send her away! If you must have your own family. I take my hand.
I am not a witch. I know you are not a witch. And I promise you, I will not marry another woman. Oh? If it is the will of the gods not to give us even a child, I will take it in good faith. Oh? Let their will be done. Come, get up on it. I'm on a champ. You'll give me a chance. Barrenness is about to end my lineage and generation. I am standing in your presence now because I don't have any other place to go to. My wife and I have been to so many places looking for just a child, all to no avail. I am here because my hope and faith is in your hands. Yuji, give me a child, just one child. Give me a child. Give me. Go there.
Wipe your tears, my son. For your guts and faith in me has liberated you from childlessness.
Eh?
Your wife is not a witch, as has been accused by many.
I love her so much. I know she's not a witch. She will never be a witch. I know that.
I know. Your wife shall conceive today, if only you accept to do what I will ask you to do.
I am ready to do anything to get just a child.
You and your wife shall drink, bathe, and cook with my water just only today. Then you will make love to your wife in the night.
Oh.
Yes.
That's all?
Yes.
I will do it. I will do it. If I have a child, if you give me a child, I'm going to name that child. I will name him or her.
Your wife shall give birth to a boy. You shall bring him to bathe in this water on his 27th birthday.
I will do that. If I live, I will do it.
You will live. Rejoice, for I have wiped away your tears, my son.
Hey, 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 hey. Obimo. Obim. Please come and help me bring this thing down.
Hey.
Yeah?
What is this?
Just help me bring it down. Hey! Hi. I never thought that this could be as heavy as it is. Hi.
Dim, what are you doing with water? Eh? When all our pots are filled with water, pan?
My wife, this is not ordinary water,
Yeah.
but medicine for reproduction.
Yeah. Dim, where did you get it from?
It's not important. The important thing is that after you have taken it according to the instructions, you will get pregnant from me.
Dim, it's not as though I am concerned about where this water comes from, but I want to know the source.
Alright, you want to know? This water came from Umudioka community. There is a powerful native doctor there that gave it to me. You will be pregnant for me. Okay. Let's send it inside. If not for Iyoji River Goddess, we would have been childless until now.
Nine, if I had known that that water was from Iyoji River, I would not have accepted it.
So, you would have been better off childless up till now.
As far as I'm concerned, my son is not a product of Iyoji River Goddess.
This is the time for me to fulfill my own part of the agreement I made with the Iyoji River Goddess. I had not told you this all along because I was waiting for the right time when you will understand.
I can't believe this. Is Iyoji River known for goodness or evil?
Goodness is a character as well as evil, and each of them is exhibited according to the circumstances surrounding the situation or the person. As for me, the Iyoji River Goddess has been good to us.
I can't believe you're the one talking like this. Eh? I can't believe you're the one talking like this.
But I cannot deny the hand that fed me in time of hunger. Eh? I will never do that.
My God. Who knows what this Iyoji River will be asking for in return now?
No. Iyoji River Goddess, I believe, does not require any other thing. I believe she just wants to have a feel of convince your stubborn son. Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, my daughter.
He should not go to that river, no matter what. Bye.
Mom. Abarugo, what is it? Tell your friend to leave my husband alone. Your husband? Who's your husband? Wait, you mean Osinaka? He is mine and mine alone. Make sure you
Ah! There is nothing one will not see in this small village of ours. Look at this vagabond fighting over Osinaka. Hey, Anguri, my friend, there is gist for you. You will hear this. Osinaka, our husband. And that can never end.
Did she take anything she doesn't take?
How would I know? She just came back from market and shortly this started.
I would have been here with Osinaka, but he's not around.
Awele.
Go to see Bonu's house. Go, bring.
Don't go. She cannot be saved. So that vagabond wants to compete with you. I wonder.
The sexiest girl in this village. I wonder, maybe she does not value her life anymore. Eh? Chukun, onyukun wabarugu. Elebosh.
Do you know the one that baffles me most? I don't know how that girl got to know my name. She calls my name with disrespect.
Lene, look at what you're saying. Who in this village that doesn't know us? Monyobu, Monyenta. Have you forgotten that we are the best dancers in this community?
Right. And I guess she sees us as a threat.
Yes.
She sees us as a threat. That's it.
My dear sister, if you see her again, tell her to stop digging her grave. Inanuka, tell her to stop digging her grave. She can't compete with you. Huh?
When you see her, tell her yourself, eh?
Just go and tell her yourself. My dear sister.
There is nothing else we can do here than to bury the revenge.
She is not there.
She's not getting it.
She's still alive. She was only sleeping.
She's dead or she's only sleeping.
Sawali, wake up. Those whole of you are crying, thinking you are dead. Wake up. You've slept enough. Sawali.
Mom. Ada.
What is happening here?
Well, you were dead, no problem.
She never died. She only went for a journey but couldn't return in time.
So she has returned now. Welcome.
Hey, Mom. Hey, God, thank you. No, you're welcome. Oh, no.
Best to get him convinced, but to no avail. I don't know what else to do.
Your best is not good enough. Press and make him see reasons why he should. Remember, it is only 45 days remaining.
I know with his mother, he would. But that one is not helping matters at all.
Your wife was not here with you 26 years ago, was she?
No.
Then leave her out of this. She is not part of our agreement.
Okay. What else do I do?
Use your powers as a father. It is said in your language. Just 45 days remaining. 45 days.
am I going to go about this again? Eh? Hey. Why he is not a small child that I will bundle him and tie him up and bring him to this place? Eh? I don't know what else to do.
Obi, I brought you food and water. Since Awele is not around to bring you food, I mean no harm, please. Don't reject my food.
What food is this?
It's fio. I know you like it.
Thank you. Keep it on the ground.
Should I serve you?
No, don't worry, you can go.
So that you throw away my food.
How will I throw away the food when I'm hungry?
Okay, you know what? Let me wait for you. When you're done, I will go with the plates.
No, don't wait. Go, later I can come and collect the plate. If you stay here, you'll distract me and you'll get me tired. Don't worry, I'll eat your food.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Thank you for accepting my food.
Thank you for bringing your food.
Welcome.
What was it?
Hey! Welcome. Hey! Eat bubblegum. I've gotten him this time around. Hey! Hey! I can't wait to marry him. I can't wait to marry you. I will marry you. Hey. Eat the food now. Eat the food.
Time is up.
Amalugo, what are you doing here?
You are going too far on this, and I cannot allow you to kill my husband.
Your husband? I don't understand. Who is your husband?
The man you want to kill. He is my husband, and I will not allow anyone hurt him.
That idiot. Then we must tell him to stay away from Awele.
There is no time for this! Nobody will separate me from him.
Where am I?
This girl has turned into an art of my scrotum.
Ituwo, so you happy I have what I wouldn't know. May you would have a current as I get on people.
Have you eaten this food?
Keho, what is wrong?
Answer me! Have you eaten this food?
No, I have not eaten the food. What is the problem?
Hey, Chugoze. Hey, I need this Amarugu. Hey! Amarugu, hey, what
the blue bubble when I saw? You can't get it, can you? Okay, I don't know. You can get I don't know. Okay, click on a book was it. That book was it. You click on it, you do the also. Yeah. Isi kalaka na egbu ogidi isi n'aka ha aka gbuo ogidi anyị kwuo ya ọnụ oke nụrụ isi kalaka na-eje ọgbọ tụkpọkpọ isi aka aka je ọgbọ tụkpọkpọ tụkpọ ya ọnụ njọkụ iburugo eburu ọka n'azụ ebu n'azụ ọka n'elu ebugide iti na-abụ eburu ọnyị ka ọ dọlụ ka m dọlụ ka ọ lelụ arọ mụrọbụrụ ụlọbiri na-agụ arọ mụrọbụrụ ụlọbiri na-agụ arọ aja akụọla ọnụ njọkụ ịkalụwa akụ njọkụ iriwa amosu njọkụ iriwa amosu njọkụ nọba be gị bụrụ ka ibu njọkụ onye amosu njọkụ onye amosu
Eloka. Eloka. Okwo. Hey. Who knows what did this to me? I be the next target. Hey! Eloka,
My fellow elders, I have decided to be the next king of this land. No matter the odds that might surround this throne.
Are you sure of this decision? Mazin Joko?
I am ready. We can no longer wait while the throne remains vacant. Someone has to lead this community. Someone has to lead this war. And I am the person.
I didn't know.
Angoleka.
Papa! You're welcome.
Where's your mother?
She has not returned from the market.
Angole, I have good news.
Good news?
Yes. Your father has been chosen to become the next king of this community.
Hey! Papa Izoko! Papa,
yes.
Wait, you?
Yes.
King of Umuneke community.
If we're gonna Tobania.
I am now a princess.
Of course you are.
Hey! What's not going to hear this? Hey!
This calls for celebration.
Hey! You know what? Let me go and prepare a delicious meal for you.
And you know what?
Oh yeah! Oh, even baby, where you going?
Finally. Just 2 weeks.
This can't be true.
I have just 2 weeks left. And I don't know what the implication will be. Have you talked sense into your stubborn son? Have you talked sense into your stubborn son?
Must our son go to Yoji River?
We have no choice. We have no choice.
There's something I want to talk to you about.
Go ahead. I'm all ears.
It happened 4 days before you brought that water plant.
Obidia! Obidia!
Eh?
What is it? Your face looks so dull.
I don't know. I don't know how I am feeling.
Since when?
5 days now. I've been very weak, busy, and vomiting.
Over 5 days. Eh? When did you see your menstruation last?
Hi. Which is it? Menstruation. Hi. I have stopped counting though. I stopped counting that.
You've stopped counting?
I'm tired of counting.
Nne, you are pregnant. Idime.
Hey! Hey! Pregnant. Hey! How can I be pregnant? How can I be pregnant? When I was just confirmed not to be pregnant by some herbalists 2 weeks ago.
And you believe them?
Yeah.
Eh? Obidia, human being is bound to make mistake. Eh? And that is why I don't rely on these medicine men and women.
Please, let's go inside. And this happened 4 days before you brought home that pot of water from Yoji River.
And you never bothered to let me know immediately. Eh?
I was trying to be sure, that's why I didn't say anything.
No, I don't believe you. I don't believe this story. You just cooked it up to deceive me. Bah.
How can I cook up a story like this?
Listen, we have just 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks. And we'll be ready to dance the music that Yoji River Goddess will play for us. I'm done with this. Do something and talk sense into your stubborn son.
What kind of life is this?
Ichie Njoko, step forward. On your knees. By the powers conferred on me as you know of the Umuneke community, I crown you the Obidike Nkembu of Umuneke
community.
Where on earth has such a thing ever happened?
I am dumbfounded. I am dumbfounded. See, I'm beginning to believe that what Onoche said, that the God said, is true. If he was telling lies, then why should Chief Njoko be struck dead?
But on the other hand, if Onoche were appointed the entering king of this land, why would God allow him be killed?
Thank you. I was not killed. Let me tell you. It's just that the gods decided to remove me from the reach of those people who wants to eliminate me. Simply because I was telling them they are evil. Oh.
No. Are you telling us that Njoko is an evil man?
Bam! The gods cannot lie.
So you mean that all along you've been dining with the devil?
Innocent devil. Maz.
Igwe, you are now welcome, Your Highness. You are welcome.
Yeah. You are welcome.
You are welcome.
How are you, my chiefs?
We are fine.
We are all fine. We are all fine.
Fine. Then let us proceed to the royal power. We must meet at once.
Igwe.
Royal power. But don't forget, the corpse of that evil man must be thrown into the evil forest. That is the decree from the gods.
So be it.
So be it, Igwe.
Igwe.
I never knew my husband was wolf in a sheep's clothing.
He has betrayed the gods and the entire community. Calm down. Calm down.
That is how it's going to happen to you one day, Hanole.
Mama. Mama, I'm sorry. Mama, please forgive me, please. Please. I have decided to turn a new person. I have decided to follow the path of life. Please, Mama, I'm sorry. Remember, I'm your daughter. Remember, you carried me in your womb, Mama, please. Please forgive me.
Please, forgive her. Since she has realized her wrongdoing and decided to make amends, please.
Please forgive me. I'm forgiving you, my daughter. Jaco. Jaco. Papa.
Please, I want you to gather some of your strong friends. There is something I want you people to do for me.
What could that be, man?
I want you and some of your friends to come to my house 3 days time, very early in the morning.
What exactly do you want me and my friends to come and do for you, Matt?
I
want you people to help me bundle my son to Iyoji River.
Your son?
Yes.
Osinaka? Iyoji River?
Yes.
Mazi?
I'm going to pay you people any amount you mention. I'll pay you people money.
Please, Mazi, I'm not interested. I am not interested, Mazi. I'm still enjoying my life. I've not done anything at all. Please, look for someone else. Please. Mazi.
Where are you going to?
Mazi, rapu mata.
They are going to the answer.
Get on the other, Mazi.
Itika na uzi yari ka nwa idi no nwe. Bodike gbara ma choma dike. If it were when Eloka was alive, he wouldn't reject this offer. Eloka would have done it firm. Just imagine. Coward. So you need to answer.
Why do you want to kill yourself for something I do not know anything about?
Get out from my sight. If you don't want me to do something stupid, get out!
When did we start fighting, Uncle Reddy?
Let's sit there. Just get out! Let's get out!
Onye na chuma chuzina mo we meregi. Onye na chuma chuzina odi meregi. Onye na chuma chuzina mo we meregi. Onye na chuma chuzina odi meregi.
Something to...
Greetings, Your Highness.
Thank you.
I was running to the palace to see you.
To see me?
I foresee evil attack coming your way, Your Highness.
I am the eyes of the gods. No one will have me.
Idibia cannot treat himself.
Okay. So, who wants to attack me? Who is that person that wants to attack?
She is fighting to rule this community.
Who is the she that fights?
The goddess of Iyoji River. Your Highness, don't allow alcohol to make you vulnerable to her attack.
Huh?
At least, be cautious for now. The gods of our land will protect you.
Thank you. Nothing will happen. Just be mindful of my drink, that is all. Don't. Thank you. Don't mind Iyoji or Iyoji. You cannot do anything, or even he, whoever, cannot do anything to Iyoji one.
I know what to do. What am I carrying by? The uncle cannot be taller than the farmer. Okay, hey.
Onye na-achụ ma achụzi na m onwe ihe mere gị. Onye na-achụ ma achụzi na m onwe ihe mere gị. Onye na-achụ ma achụzi na m onwe ihe mere gị. Onye na-achụ ma achụzi na m onwe ihe mere gị.
My son, what do you think about this thing that your father is making trouble about?
No. I don't care what my father does or what he says. It's not my business. My mind is made up and nothing is going to change it.
I'm confused.
Keep worrying yourself. Over my dead body, will I go there?
Do you know that Okukwe came here and warned me never to allow you near that room?
Oh, who knows what she saw? Who knows?
My son, if I tell you that all this thing is not giving me sleepless nights, I lie.
It is my cross. Allow me to carry it.
You don't understand, my son.
Keep disturbing yourself.
Only God knows what will happen in this house too. Because of our life. Please intervene before something terrible happens here.
Nobody's allowed to enter the palace to see the king now. He's talking to you. I want to enter the palace.
Stop there. Who put you on that throne?
Me?
Do you think I am here for your drunken foolishness? Answer me!
Why? The gods that put me on the throne.
Now give me the news.
Huh?
Give it to me!
And why? I don't want to take it again.
You should have listened to that little girl.
I'm sorry for neglecting her.
Open your palms. Now, go back and complete the mission. But don't let alcohol ruin this mission.
But how did you manage to get back the offer?
She is less powerful in the kingdom.
But can this mission be given to someone else? I don't want her to kill me.
Onochie, your fate lies on it.
I'm afraid, Ojofa. Huh?
The gods cannot make mistake.
Hey, I cannot do it, oh. I cannot do it. I will not die. I will not die. I don't want to die yet. Hey. Oh no,
Nai, I still don't understand the reason for this your excessive happiness. Because the last time I checked, Nema and I were enemies to you.
And this moment, we are having merriment. I am still wondering.
Or is this to get me?
No, this is not the way to get you. If I want to get you, I don't have to get you.
Yeah.
Huh? I am simply fulfilled and overjoyed with my family. Huh? Why am I
Nine. Do we have a new king now? Yeah? Because that is the only good news that all of us are waiting for.
The gods are taking control of that one.
Yeah. Hey.
Tell us what this merriment is about. If not, Nema and I will leave you to enjoy your merriment alone.
My son, you will no longer visit the Iyoji River.
Yay! How?
The truth is, I never intended to.
I know you never intended to visit her, but the Iyoji River goddess has decided to forsake all she had with us. So we are now free from all her ties.
Okay, what do you think? Do you think it's true?
Obi, this is strange. I mean, at this time.
That is why I came to seek your opinion. Because I no longer trust my father.
I don't even know what to think again. If it's true, or a trick to get you off guard.
That's my worry. And tomorrow is my birthday. Someone really needs to advise me.
Obi, I advise you to be cautious and observant. It is now clear that Abarugo is the goddess of Iyoji River, and she has chosen you to accomplish her evil mission. My only prayer now is that the God does not allow you to give in to anything that will lead to the destruction of this community.
I will try my best as a mortal not to be used.
No. But why you? Why are you at the center of mortals and immortals?
My destiny is in the hands of the God of creation.
Okukwe, please say something. We don't understand what is happening. Tell us something. I don't get all this.
Squat down.
I should squat?
Yes. The trees and the grasses have ears.
Here.
Another year should not hear this. Not even the second year.
What did she say to you?
I could not see beyond this. There.
What did she say to you? Answer me, what did she tell you?
Hey, oh my God, I can't do no job. Hey, look, hi, what the, what do I do? I can't do it, I can't do it. I've not done anything. Oh, no. Hey, I've decided to live or die on this throne. But you people have to be fasting, providing the next you go. I mean the choosing one. It's great. Hey.
Obim. Osina. Happy birthday, my love. I brought this for you.
Love it.
I wanted to be the first person to say a happy birthday to you. And I'm happy I am.
So is that why you came alone through that lonely road by this time of the morning?
Obim, you know I can take any risk for you without fear.
You keep making me proud.
You make me feel the same way. I love you.
I love you too. How is everyone?
They are fine. They were still sleeping when I left the house. I have to go now.
William is plentiful.
No, don't worry. You go back to sleep. Except you don't want me to get home early. You want to follow me so that you start making good time.
No, no.
Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
There are so many ways to kill a rat. Mr. This is the best way.
Hey, I was hoping to see your mother and Okukwe here today.
Yes, Sonne. They wanted to join us, but Okukwe is not feeling fine. She has been purging since last night.
Yeah, for now. Wow. I hope she's getting better.
She was feeling okay before we left the house.
Okay.
Where is my father? He's wasting so much time. I asked him I can put him money or Simba. He refused, insisted that he'll go and get it by himself. Now he's not here. Oh, see, easy. Take it easy. We are all here for you. Today is all yours. I know, but I'm just worried. I go. I can just American. I don't know.
You didn't make bushmeat or something.
I'm sorry, my children. I had to go to Oko's house for another keg of palm wine. So that everybody will drink to satisfaction. Hey, don't worry. This one is for the celebrant and his family only. No, they are.
Celebrant.
Where's Osinaka? I used to work.
Why is Osinaka?
He's urinating behind the house.
Let me go and get him.
I think I should
Okay.
Osi!
Yay! Osinaka! Obin!
Osinaka! Osinaka! Osinaka!
Osinaka, Mambo! Hey! Yeah, Osinaka! Osinaka!
Osinaka! Osinaka! Osi! Osi! Oh! Brother Osinaka! Brother Osi! Brother Osinaka!
Osinaka, Wame! Hey! Osinaka! Osinaka!
Brother Osinaka! Where am I going to find this man? And I have searched for him everywhere in this community. He's nowhere to be found. Hey, does it mean that this boy has left this village? Did you see my son today anywhere?
Your son Osinaka?
Osinaka?
No, I have not seen him for long now.
Oh!
Is everything alright?
What do I tell the news you have on this?
tụgharị m ka igbu ọ gịnị ka m mere gị iji tụgharị m ka igbu agbara ugo gịnị ka m mere gị iji tụgharị m ka igbu ọ gịnị ka m mere gị iji tụgharị m ka igbu
Kwa n'obodo ahụ.
Great EOG goddess, I've come to submit myself to your wrath because I have not been able to fulfill my own part of our agreement. Here I am. Do with me whatever you wish.
Your weakness is about to ruin me. I found in your son what I found in you many years ago. You're supposed to be my husband so that I shall remain young and beautiful forever. But your weakness betrayed me the very first day you had carnal knowledge of your wife in the middle of a forest. Out of that betrayal, I decided to punish you with childlessness. Hey. But out of compassion and love, I gave you a second chance. I found out that other gods were interested in your wife and were fighting to restore her womb, which I tied. I then used that priest to bring you to myself.
I am here in respect of what you told me about my wife and witchcraft. I love her so much, and I cannot afford to marry another woman.
Then you have only one option, and I'm not sure you are ready for this option.
I am ready to do anything to have a child, as long as that thing does not jeopardize the love I have for my wife.
Are you sure?
I am sure, and I'm ready to do it now.
You will have to visit EOG.
E what?
That is the place you will find solution to what you seek.
Why my son and I?
Your son is the only eligible candidate for my permanent transformation and mission, just like you were.
So, you were not actually responsible for the conception of my son?
How dare you betray me the second time?
I never betrayed you. Only that my son got missing, and I don't know where to find him.
I give you the whole of today to bring him to me, or you face my merciless wrath. Get out!
This one come out now. As it is raining, will you be under the rain inside the house? Doing what? I've been searching for this one everywhere. Everywhere. Since morning I've been searching. Wherever you are, I will find you. Wherever you are, I will find you. Your 27th birthday must be spent at the EOG. With him, you cannot touch. I will get you. We potassium, I told you we won't go to the EOG. Huh? EOG River Priestess. I've been trying, I've been looking for him. I don't know what to do again.
Nine. Where are you coming from?
I've been searching for my son.
Hi. Nine. Don't tell me that you slept in the forest.
I did though.
Hey.
It's all my fault.
How do you mean?
Hey.
Nine. What is it?
I shouldn't have gone back to that native doctor. He was used by the evil goddess of the Yuji River to deceive us.
Hi. Nine. I told you. Eh? You see?
Ebo!
Hi. So, I still don't understand what you are trying to say now. Eh?
Our son was never from that evil goddess of Egypt.
Hi! Nine. Eh? I still don't understand what you are trying to say.
Let's sit down first.
Hi.
Let's sit down first. Hey!
I know it.
Ha! Why you just alapata wala fuem? Hey! Every day.
You see?
How? Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Are you going to send my son to go and bat that huge river?
Hey!
Let her go ahead and finish us off. If it is our fate to die in her hands, let her go ahead and do it.
What have you come to look for in my house? You demon!
You have overstretched my patience.
Go ahead! Go ahead and finish us up! What are you waiting for? We're not afraid of your death or wrath anymore. Go ahead! Finish us up! What is it?
I have waited so impatiently for your son's 27th birthday to be celebrated with me in my kingdom. I have been surviving from aging, keeping young and beautiful with the blood of little children for many years now. I drown little children every 2 years for decades now.
Welcome, my son. What is she doing here?
You belong to me, and I've come to take you now.
See!
God forbid.
You are my husband. I must rule this community with you. The sooner you accept that, the better for you.
No. God forbid. Wait. Do you hear me? No way!
Are you ready to come with me now?
I don't care if you kill us all.
Their fate is in your hands.
Why don't you kill us? Kill us all, you wicked demon.
You are untouchable because I still love you.
I hate you. I hate you.
Marry me and save your parents.
I will burn you. I will burn you with fire. Come here. Come back here. Come, you coward.
Say something. Nine, say something. Don't do this. Don't leave us, Nine. Now, say something because now don't do this. Now because
You must go to Umuma Forest to get the leaf of life which will heal Mama.
How can I find this leaf of life?
The gods of the land will show you. You must go immediately. There's no time. Let me go and see Mama.
So that you will help me take care of my mother in case I don't make it.
No.
Please.
I must go with you. I'll go with you. Because you know, Mama.
Nkem, listen to your mother now, please.
Leave her, let her go with you.
Ese.
Obim. Must you go with me?
I will live and die with you. Hey.
Let's go.
Hey, no, Mama, for love,
Hey! The will of the gods come to pass.
Hey. Mama, get one more.
Obim, you have to stay back so that you will help me take care of my mother in case I don't make it.
No.
Please.
I must go with you. I'll go with you. Because you know, Mama.
Nkem, listen to your mother now, please.
Leave her, let her go with you.
Ese.
Obim. Must you go with me?
I will live and die with you. Hey.
Let's go.
Hey, no, Mama, for love, Hey.
The will of the gods come to pass.
Hey. Mama, get one more. Hey, I will.
Are you tired?
I wore the engagement necklace you gave to me.
You did well. Wait. You remember this?
I do. Bobby, love conquers everything.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. We're already in the forest.
I know. I know.
Do you want to rest?
I'm hungry and I'm very thirsty.
You can only drink water now. You know you have to rest. Huh?
Let's go, my lord. There's no time. Let's go.
Just take it easy. I'm not going away. This way. This way. Ubin, wake up! Come.
Have they gone?
Yes, they've gone.
When are we going to get to where the leaf of life is?
I don't know where the leaf of life is.
So how do we even know when we get there?
The gods of our land will guide us.
yes. Let's go.
You cannot run away from me.
I do not belong to you. I am a product of the gods of creation. Get out of our way now!
Or you do what?
Not my sword.
Let's go back. Let's go. Please, let's go back.
End of the road. Come. Come to me, my love. Mortals cannot run away from us.
end of the road for you.
How dare you, Ojofo? How dare you?
Take care of my mother and my younger one.
No. You promise to fight with me till the end. Don't die. Don't die on me. Awele, don't do this. Obi, don't die, please. I'll get you out of here. I promise. Obi, no. Stay with me. Please, don't. No! Obi, don't! No!
You have destroyed all the mysteries she brought upon your community, and your family have been buried together with her.
What a relief of life.
It's in your bag.
My bag?
They're the same leave of love I will give to you as a birthday gift.
No!
Why me? Oh, why me? Negodi ezibon wamhurunanya. Onwe anaram yatu. Aweremo obimo biano.
You're not.
Onye ki choro kamuna ya bibi biano. Why?
so much.
Why me? Oh,
I love you so much.
Why me? Ewo ikagumo lenumo amai mi emgemezi iku agulamo amai mkamge siga. Why me ogini mere ojiburu mo? Oh, why? Why me? Why my life? Onye kam mejoro, onye kam bara iwe. Why me? Oh, why me? Hey ya na mebezi akwa. Lemo ujo jurumaru ebe kam gagbaje.
Let there be a feeling that woman that says that. Thank you. I'll do that. The best will do that. Thank you. We will get to the palace. These ones are starting to wither. Wither in the sense. Hey, Ajapa! Long live your highness! Igwe Adro!
Your Highness, I'm the one that's supposed to be greeting you. Long live.
You are Osinaga. The gods has chosen you to rule this community.
Moa.
Wham!
Mba, I got a mistake. Ndiche, Igwe, I don't know what you're talking about. Let me go.
Oh no. Take. He must be crowned before the next 4 market days. He is your original. And the gods you have seen it. I've concluded my mission. Oh no, my drink has not been filled though. But no problem. I can manage with the even milk.
Let me go. You better listen to me. Let's go after him.
Osinaga Romana, you have become you. After interim comes original. For nothing. I have taken my palm wine from the wife.
Please, Your Highness. I am not Your Highness. And I am not interested in ruling Umuneke community.
My elders, my son is too young to become the king.
Their age is not a barrier to the leadership of this community.
Correct.
Hence the person is 20 years old.
Usinaka, the chosen one. This is the second time we are coming here to beg you. Bikono, let go.
My son. I am not interested.
Yeah.
I am not.
Osi.
You cannot walk out on the elders. Biko, Bian.
Osi.
Leave him. His heart is still heavy. Anyway.
Destiny to die for the destruction of that evil witch.
And you left me alone. All alone in this cold world.
Okukwe, my sister, said it. That a great sacrifice has to be made before that evil witch could be destroyed. Obi, we came, we saw, and we conquered.
But it was not a total victory.
It was, Obin. I want you to say yes to those chiefs if you want my soul to rest in peace.
How can I be crowned king without you as a queen? Okay. Awele, come back, please. Awele, come. Don't go. Obim.
Time you let go of the memory of Awele. She's gone and gone forever. Eh? My son, you have to let go.
It's not possible. It's not possible.
Are you going to mourn her all your life?
I will mourn her.
I know that with time you will put all this behind you. Please, go inside and sleep. Go inside and sleep. It's going to be alright. Please. Sorry, my son. Go inside.
Osinaka, we have done everything humanly possible to find a replacement for you. But Mba, Osinaka, Biko, think about this community. Biko, you help us solve this problem. Biko, Biko,
the chosen one. Osinaka, please. Women are dying. Children are dying in our community.
Even the men are also dying. Our crops are all dying. Our situation in this community is getting worse. Please, help us. Oh no, we will not stand up from here. Except Osinaka accept our offer. Bam! Yes. We will not.
I will accept only on one condition.
What is it? What is the condition?
That I will be crowned without a queen.
Eh?
We have accepted. Because you don't want to marry. Hi.
We have accepted.
We have accepted, though.
Oh, yes. We have accepted, though. Oh, no.
Please, don't do this to me.
Oh, no.
Oh, wow. No. Nah. Congratulations. Congrats.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Let's go and tell them.
Chuma chuzina mo we yemmeregi. Onye na chuma